This is how to reset your Mercedes W211. This is a E220 model, diesel, but they're all pretty much the same. How to reset your service indicator, which is the spanner light there. We're going to be using the dimmer light button just here, and we're pressing that. And then we're going to use the up and down arrows. We're going to be using the lower screen button as the confirmation button, and the plus and minus to scroll through some of the menus. This is how you do it. Okay, so we're going to put the key in, ignition position 1, just so that the airbag light comes on. And we're going to press the dimmer button 3 times. That's going to put us into a sub-menu. Using the up and down arrows, press down once, you can see we're automatically into the service menu. We're going to go up on service data, we're going to press the minus, so we go down to confirmation. You're then going to press that bottom screen button. It's going to bring you into the confirm screen. Full service, which we've done, so we're going to press the screen button again to confirm. Service confirmed. Screen button again, and then we can come out by just turning the ignition off and turn the thing back on again, and all of a sudden the warning's gone for the service. Not possible because we've just reset it, so it's got to work out, and there we go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.